In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get discount codes or promo codes for Babbel. This is a language learning app which teaches you all different variety of languages, so you can go install it and buy a package. So now when you're buying a package, you can apply discount codes which you can get from Google, and then you're gonna get a discount, a percentage. So now to get the discount code, you're gonna head over to google.com. So I'm gonna go over to google.com right there, and then I'm gonna search up Babbel promo code 2023. You can search the Babbel discount codes as well, 2023. Either way would work. Then you can click go. Alright, so once that is done, you'll have to hit on the first website, seeing that coupons. So I'm gonna click on it, and there you go. So this is the app. As you guys can see, Babbel coupon, that's the logo right there, and then there are many coupons, as you guys can see. So for the first one, grab 65% off 3 months with student discount. You can click show a coupon, and there you go, the coupon is there. Now I'm gonna copy, and then I'm gonna go and paste this there, and then the discount coupon will be successfully applied. So similarly, there are many other, as you guys can see, many other promo codes. You can go and take the coupon for them as well. Now there are many other websites, so you can go to some other website as well. For example, this one. So you can click show the code. I'm gonna click, and there you go, the code is right there. I can copy this code and I can go and paste it. So that's gonna give you 50% off for 6-month plan. So as you guys can see, these coupons are very helpful, and they can even save lots of money. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.